Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying the basics that actually matter. Sign in, set your region, and make sure site language matches the video language so subtitles appear. Open the video player and tap the Chinese letter or CC icon. Enable subtitles and choose auto download if available, because some videos only load external subtitle files when requested. Also check player quality. Very low or unstable streams sometimes skip subtitle tracks. Once done, proceed to network and extension checks to fetch missing files. Next, troubleshoot fetching and rendering. Disable ad blockers or privacy extensions because they can block subtitle file requests. Refresh the page and watch the network tab for VTT or AS responses. Clear browser cache and cookies to remove corrupt manifest data. If subtitles still fail, try another browser or the Bilibili app to rule out missing codecs or browser-specific bugs. Switching user agent sometimes forces the correct player. These steps isolate whether the problem is network, extension, or client-side. Finally, if the player still shows no subtitles, fetch them directly or report the issue. Use the Bilibili app subtitle download or a subtitle extractor to get the VTT or AS file and load it locally. This works because sometimes the CDN fails to serve tracks. If the video lacks uploaded subtitles, report it with timestamps and your device/browser details so creators or support can add them. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, try auto-translate or an alternate stream while awaiting a fix.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.